Say hi, Annie.
Hi, Nanny.
Annie.
Annie.
Say hi, Uncle Dan.
Hi. Okay, done. Okay.
Say I miss you. Say I love you. Wait. Let me finish taping it and then you can see it. Sit down. Say love you.
Love you, Dan.
Love you, Dan. Say love you, Annie.
Yummy, Annie.
Good. And here's Jake.
Annie.
He's chilling.
Mowing.
Say bye, Aunt Annie.
Bye, Annie.
Bye, Uncle Dan.
Annie.
Bye, Uncle Dan.
Annie. Bye, Annie. Bye, Annie.
What about Uncle Dan?
Annie. Annie. Annie.
Show. You want a bowl? Okay, go ahead and bowl. Gotta make them perfect. Move it, Shiloh. Shiloh. Alright, over there. Move, Shiloh. Okay. Ready? Go. Nice. You missed. Is it a split? Alright, say bye.